Tired of the same old horizontal text in your Word documents? Let's spice things up and learn how to create vertical text in Microsoft Word. This quick tutorial will show you a few simple methods to add a unique touch to your layouts, labels, or any creative text arrangement. Let's get started. First, we'll use a text box. Go to the Insert tab. In the text group, click on Text Box. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Draw Text Box. Your cursor will change into a crosshair. Click and drag to draw your text box where you want your vertical text to appear. Now, type your desired text inside the text box. Select the text box, and the Format tab will appear. In the text group, find and click on Text Direction. Choose either Rotate all text 90 degrees or Rotate all text 270 degrees, depending on the direction you want your text to face. And there you have it. Your text is now vertical within the text box. If you want to remove the border of the text box, go to Shape Format. Click on Shape Outline, then select No Outline. The border disappears, leaving you with only your vertical text. You can now move and resize the text box as needed. With these simple steps, you can easily add vertical text to your Word documents, making them more visually appealing and engaging. Explore different layouts and have fun experimenting with this handy feature. Don't forget to subscribe for more Word tips and tricks.